It's important to clarify that there are no tantras or magical rituals that can guarantee overnight wealth or success. Becoming a millionaire overnight is extremely unlikely and often involves luck, timing, and significant risk. Additionally, focusing solely on quick riches can lead to disappointment and financial harm. Instead of seeking shortcuts or instant wealth, it's essential to approach wealth building with patience, diligence, and sound financial principles. Here are some practical steps you can take to work towards financial success over time. Set clear financial goals, define your financial objectives and create a plan to achieve them. This could include saving for retirement, paying off debt, or investing in assets that generate passive income. Develop financial literacy, educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth building strategies. Understand the risks and rewards associated with different investment options and make informed decisions. Create multiple income streams, diversify your sources of income by exploring various opportunities such as starting a side business, investing in the stock market, or earning passive income through real estate or royalties. Live below your means, practice frugality and avoid excessive spending. Focus on living within your means and saving a portion of your income regularly. Consistently saving and investing over time can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Invest wisely, develop a well-rounded investment portfolio that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Consider seeking professional advice from financial advisors or investment experts. Take calculated risks. While taking risks can be necessary for financial growth, it's essential to do so prudently and after careful consideration. Avoid speculative investments or get-rich-quick schemes that promise unrealistic returns. Stay persistent and patient. Building wealth is a long-term endeavor that requires discipline and perseverance. Stay focused on your goals, be patient during market fluctuations, and continue working towards financial success. Give back and practice gratitude, cultivate a mindset of abundance and generosity. Consider giving back to your community or supporting causes you care about. Practicing gratitude for what you have can also foster contentment and financial well-being. Remember that financial success is not solely measured by the size of your bank account but also by your overall well-being, relationships, and fulfillment in life. Instead of chasing overnight wealth, focus on building a solid financial foundation and pursuing meaningful goals that align with your values and aspirations.